So the first step is to take the printer out of the plastic packaging. Also remove the blue stickers. One will go into the ink cartridge chamber, so remove it carefully. Now plug the wire at the back side of the printer. The one end will go here and the other end will go to the power supply of your home. And also take the ink cartridge out of the packaging. Make sure you also remove the orange seal which is at the back side of the ink cartridge. Also remove the front chamber as you can see here. So once you open it, you will see the ink cartridge chamber comes into the middle. Now you have to install the ink cartridges one by one. Black will go to the black side. So just push it little bit and hold the printer with the other hand. So both black and color has to be installed for the initial setup. Now also load the paper tray which is at the rear of this printer. So just take the paper tray out and install the A4 size sheets there. There is a size adjuster, so you can adjust the size with that. Now wait for the printer to print a printer alignment page, and once the printer alignment page comes out, then we have to scan it here. So place it facing downwards and then click on the copy button. Now overall I can say the printer is really easy to set up. It doesn't take much longer and it's good for home and office use. Also I'll show you how to do the copy. To do a copy, simply place a page on the top scanner lid facing downwards, and you can press the copy button once or twice, depends on the how many number of copies you want. You can do black or color. So it's quick in the copy as well, as you can see here. So overall I can say the printer is good for the students and even for the home use. Thanks for watching, and you can also check my other videos.